forward, MININYCs, and welcome to the Mini of Manhattan YouTube channel. My name is Janelle and I'm our product genius here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare for daylight savings. Today's tutorial is going to take place in our 2018 British Racing Green signature line. First step is going to be to get in your Mini. Now that we're inside your Mini, for those of you with standard visual boost, scroll to settings and select choose time and date, choose your time zone, set your time, choose your format, either 12 hours or 24 hours, set the date, and choose your format. Now that we've sprung forward, let's motor. Thanks for hanging out with us. Come back next time for a walkthrough on how to pair your phone via Bluetooth.